Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy vegan chocolate smoothie with almond butter. If you guys are looking for a sweet treat but you also want something healthy, this vegan chocolate smoothie is just what you need. Let me show you guys how to make it. So we only need a few simple ingredients to make this creamy vegan chocolate smoothie. So first we're going to add in 1 large banana. Next we're going to add in 1 cup of ice. And so next we're going to add in half a cup of coconut smoothie. And so I'm using Harmless Harvest today. And this is just coconut meat in coconut water. So it's like a really thick coconut milk almost. Genius Juice also makes one that is like basically identical. And if you want to make this even chocolatier, you can get the Harmless Harvest chocolate one and use that too. So if you guys don't have the smoothie, I recommend using like a full fat coconut milk from a can. While you could use regular coconut milk, almond milk, or oat milk, those ones are going to be a little more runny, so it's not going to give you as thick and creamy of a smoothie. And I think that is the whole magic in this smoothie. So we're going to add in half a cup of this coconut smoothie. John is getting jealous. Now we have to give him some of this coconut smoothie because if you guys didn't know, you can share these Harmless Harvest coconut smoothies with your dog. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Then 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. And last, a tablespoon of almond butter. And now if you guys want to use peanut butter, pistachio butter, cashew butter, you can use all of those as well. You can even use sunflower butter if you want to do nut-free. Now, all we have to do is blend this up so it's nice and smooth. Now we have a delicious, creamy vegan chocolate smoothie. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.